Are you interested in learning about investment properties for beginners in Canada? Do you want to know how to make money in real estate investing for beginners? If so, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned to this video and I will tell you everything you need to know about purchasing an investment property. Hi everyone, Cora here from Citylite Realty. In this video, I'm going to talk about real estate investing for beginners. I'm going to start by saying that I currently own quite a few investment properties throughout the GTA and have done so for over 10 years. My team and I at Citylite Realty have also taught quite a few of our clients on how to become savvy real estate investors and generate lots of additional money. This video will show you step by step how to find, finance, rent, and make money on your first rental property. I promise I will take you from real estate investing for beginners to full-fledged real estate mogul. Step number 1. Please remember that when you're buying an investment property, it's all about the numbers. So don't let your emotions get in the way. Don't be swayed by the fantastic landscaped backyard or the new gym equipment in the workout room. It's all about what you receive versus what you have to spend. These are the questions to keep in mind. What kind of rent can I charge? What are the taxes, maintenance fees, and liability insurance? What kind of repairs or upkeep will I have to pay for? As an agent experienced in owning, maintaining, and purchasing income properties, I'll be able to guide you to the profitable properties and steer you clear from the money traps. Step number 2. Once you've got your correct mindset and understand to always look at the numbers, we can move towards arranging financing and getting you a mortgage. There are numerous scenarios and tons of different ways to structure an investment mortgage, something we'll discuss in another video. But keep in mind, depending on the number of units found in the property, and if you plan on living in the property, you could purchase that house with as little as 5% down. Once again, it comes down to choosing the right people to assist you with this step. If you choose individuals who have no experience with financing an income property, you'll be led down the wrong path and away from generating wealth and creating an income that could last generations. Step number 3. Now let's talk about basic calculations. Once you've received your investment property mortgage approval, if your monthly mortgage payment, including property taxes, is $2,500 a month, your rent shouldn't be $2,450. You need extra money to pay for incidentals. For home, you may need to pay someone to shovel snow and mow the lawn. For a condo, you could have monthly maintenance fees. And always remember, you need proper home insurance to cover your investment, which costs more than the average residential insurance. You need to structure your purchase to allow you to collect enough money from your rent to pay for all your incidental or operating expenses and have money left over for a rainy day. Like when your basement leaks the day your new tenant's supposed to move in. Another story. Step number 4. Once you've found the perfect investment property, we will and must perform a home inspection. We need to make sure that this property is sound and secure for your new tenants. It's a good time to check for durability of different items. How old are the bathroom fixtures? How new are the windows? And are there screens in all of them? Are the appliances working optimally? All burners and the oven, the stove hood fan. No tenant is going to pay you top dollar for a unit where half the appliances don't work well and the toilet is constantly running. Step number 5. Congratulations! We've closed! Now comes the fun part. Finding a tenant. There will be a few weeks after you close and before you make your first mortgage payment that you can use to find, if you haven't already, your new tenant. If you choose to find a renter on your own, always ask them questions and get rental applications filled out to streamline the process. Keep in mind, the province of Ontario, there are certain things you cannot ask a prospective tenant and certain rules you cannot enforce. This is where having someone who constantly navigates through the process will be a huge benefit in helping you purchase an income property for beginners. Step number 6. Welcome, landlord. Now that you've moved your wonderful tenant into your first income property, it doesn't end at collecting and cashing rent checks. Your tenant could call you in a few weeks and say, Miss Investor, my stove isn't working. Remember that home inspection? You need to have it fixed. What I do is I always have a team of people on speed dial to assist. I'll call my appliance guy, my roof guy, my handyman, and when all else fails, I'll call my mother. Create a list of good people and use them. Step number 7. Now I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks that will help you as you move into real estate investing. You can always refinance a property to purchase another. In Ontario, your tenant must sign the provincially mandated lease agreement. You can only increase your rent once a year for no more than what the government allows. In 2020, it's 2.2%. Tenants and landlords are governed by the Residential Tenancies Act 2006. And yes, you can evict a tenant in the winter. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informational videos. And if you want to contact me to talk more about investment properties for beginners, call me at 647-222-3405 or check out my details below. Once again, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.